So we are working on 4.3, which is on loan calculations. Today is the 30th. Our essential question. Okay, so let's see if I can get this to. Hold on, everybody, it's not focusing. Let's try again. All right, loan calculations is what we're working on. So our central question is, how can you model and calculate loan calculations? Okay, so our loan length formula, so it's time is equal to the length, monthly payment times the principal, minus the monthly payment divided by the principal, minus the rate as a decimal divided by 12, all over 12 times the natural log, 1 plus the rate divided by 12. Okay, so ln, remember, is the natural log. So working with exponentials, we want to know what's the monthly payment formula, or what's the loan length formula. Okay, so let's say that we have that the payment is equal, so we want to make a loan of $25,000. The monthly payment is going to be $300. The rate is 5 9/10%. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that in. So time is going to equal the natural log, 300 divided by 25,000 minus the natural log, 300 divided by 25,000 minus the rate is a decimal, so 0.059 divided by 12, all over 12 times the loan length, 1 plus the rate, so 0.059 divided by 12. Okay, so we get time is equal to 8.69%. So we're going to round that up to 9 years. Okay, so for time, round to the tenths. Okay, and what we want to, our question is, so how long should you borrow to afford the monthly payments? Okay, so you figure out with your budget that you can pay $300. So we want to know how long. What if we want to figure out the finance charge? So it's going to be monthly payment times 12 times the time minus the principal. Okay, so 300 times 12 minus 9. Okay, so everybody, this part right here, I'll write it over here, is giving us the balance, so how much you paid over the life of the loan. Okay, so remember, everybody, that's the balance minus 25,000. So we get the finance charge. It's going to be 7,400. Okay. Let's, what if we changed it so that we increase the payment by, so we, same loan, but we increase the monthly payment by $50. Okay. So the time, so it's now going to be 350 divided by 25,000 minus the natural log, 350 divided by 25,000 minus the rate is a decimal, so remember the rate is staying the same. The loan amount is the same. We're just increasing the monthly payment, so now it's 1 plus 0.059, so the rate is a decimal divided by 12. Okay, so now we get the time is 7 3/5, so about 7 years. Okay. So we're going to do the finance charge. So finance charge is going to be 3,000, so 350 times 12 times 7. And we're going to do, everybody, we should really round to the 10th place, so we're going to do 7.4. So 7.4 minus 25,000. So we're going to put that all together. Okay. So I got 6,080. Okay. So the difference, so from the 7,400 minus 6,080. So you saved $1,320. Okay. So if you can, we always want to try to increase it. So our question for this, what impact would an increase of $50 have on the length of the loan and our finance charges? So how much interest paid? Okay. So okay, we got this.